Look at the view. OMG. It is breathtaking. Beautiful is even less. The word beautiful cannot describe the experience I am having at this point of my life. Isn't that amazing? That's Parvesh and Yazad, who have brought me here to Karaka Point, and this is just the starting of my day one in the Malbrough Sounds. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you all. Thanks to the universe. Thanks to everybody who has been in my life. Ameen, ameen, ameen. May I always, always, always follow the path of Ashoyi, follow the true principles of good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Ameen, 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 ameen. OMG, look at that, so beautiful, so beautiful. Oh my God. I haven't dressed appropriately, not knowing that I would come here. However, I'm having a time of my life. Ishtaday, ishtaday, ishtaday. See you all, and everybody who's privileged to see this video, I send my love to you all. Take care. Just like I'm making a conscious effort of following the path of Ashoyi, may we all be privileged to do that on a very conscious level. Ishtade. Love you. Take care. Ciao.